Namaskar. You all are welcomed in my YouTube channel, and I am Nitika Chaube. Today we are going to practice meditation. Before practicing it, we should know about what is meditation. Meditation is a mental exercise of an individual level. This exercise involves relaxation, focus, and awareness. So, firstly, we should be relaxed, focused, and aware. This meditation is for beginners. Before practicing it, there are 3 steps. First is abdomen breathing, second Om chanting, and third is chest breathing. So, prepare your body and mind for meditation. Relax your body and your mind. Sit comfortably in any meditative posture like Padmasana, Sukhasana. Gently close your eyes. Make no effort to control the breath. Breathe naturally. Focus your attention on the breath and on how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Now we are going its first step, abdomen breathing. With inhalation, you should expand your belly, your abdomen area. With the exhalation, you should contract your abdomen and your belly area. Deeply inhalation, completely exhalation. Deep inhalation, hold, fully exhalation. During this practice, you should notice the movement of your body as you breathe. Observe your belly area, your chest area. Simply focus your attention on your breath without controlling its pace and intensity. Inhale fully, expand your belly area, hold, exhale fully, contract your belly area. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. Simply focus your attention on your breath without controlling its pace and intensity. If your mind wanders, return your focus back to your breath. Yes, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now we are going to its second step, Om chanting. With fully awareness, Om chant for 3 times. Inhale deeply. Now imagine Om between your eyebrows and chant inside the mind for 3 to 4 times. Just imagine the Om symbol between your eyebrows. Just imagine and just chant inside the mind. Just chant Om inside the mind with fully awareness. You should aware about the Om sound. Just imagine the Om symbol between your eyebrows. Now we are going its final position, that is chest breathing. With the inhalation, we should expand our chest. With the exhalation, we should contract our chest. So inhale deeply, expand your chest more and more. Feel that your breath is completely enters in your lungs, in your alveoli, in your wind track. Just observe your chest, your rib cage. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. With the inhalation, you should remember expand your chest. With the exhalation, you should remember contraction of your chest, your lungs. So practice is 1 to 2 minutes. Like deeply inhale, completely exhale. Deeply inhale, completely exhale. Now coming to the end, relax your body and mind fully. Yes, lastly, with the fully awareness, fully relaxation, inhale deeply, hold, exhale fully. With the exhalation, you should feel that releasing out all the body strain, all the mind strain, and just feel relaxed. Feel your body to be relaxed. Feel your mind to be relaxed. Feel your mind to be relaxed. Now, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.